I think I'm muted. Okay, welcome to another Friday live stream with Biela, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful start of the weekend. Today we're going to be building a Snowball type IO game. I think you guys have know about those old school type, but not really old school, but like 2016 kind of type of games .io, like Agar.io or Slither.io. We're going to be building something similar to that. And yeah, I'm here joined by my colleagues and friends, Paul and Andrew.
Hello,
Please
guys.
say hi, guys. Yeah.
Hi everyone. Nice to see you all.
Yep. And I think it's time we begin. So let me share my screen. We're gonna be building our prompt here, and so I had a few key points saved. So let's begin by setting up the title of this prompt that we're gonna be building this game. So we're gonna say it's called Snowball.io. Sorry. And
No,
we're
you
gonna...
didn't share the screen.
Oh, I didn't?
Yeah, try again.
All right. Let me...
There you go.
Ah, perfect. That's perfect. So we're gonna be putting this title up here. Come on, where's the title? Ah, right here. Awesome. No, I don't want the link. Come on. Perfect. So we're gonna have a main prompt. Last time, somebody in the chat said that we need to set up like a main prompt and a sub prompt, or I'm not exactly sure how they call it, but somebody said that they want a list type of prompt and with like features and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try my best to integrate that into this main prompt, and I've noted right here on my second monitor a few key ideas that I'm gonna be using, because this is a pretty complex project, so I gotta have a few things to take inspiration from. First off, we're gonna say that I want a .io multiplayer game called Snowball.io. Come on, I don't want the link. Where the players are blobs. They can collect well,
Snowballs, let's say.
yeah, snowballs, perfect, yeah. Snowballs from the map, actually scattered along the map.
And also have it to be able to throw them.
Yes, we're gonna write that, but just keep that idea in your head for now. I want to have like a general prompt here. Scattered along the map, built using React plus Vite. We're gonna have Supabase integration, which is built right into Biela, so that's gonna be pretty easy. Supabase, I think it's called Supabase Real Time. What is it called? Sockets, I think. Yeah, sockets integration. Basically, a socket is like a real-time exchange between devices. So you guys, after we're done building this app, or you guys in the chat will be able to interact with us and play with us. So that's what a socket basically is. And we're going to use Supabase for that. So yeah, Supabase real-time integration. And I also want some physics, which is going to be pretty interesting to see how Biela handles that. Physics like what is it called exactly? Inertia, I think. I think I skipped some physics classes. But anyway, I want some physics like inertia, collisions, that would be nice to have, and possibly let's keep it like that for now. And that should be the main prompt. I want the theme to be Christmas inspired with the snowballs colored in red, green, blue, and yellow. Are those all of the colors, all of the Christmas colors, or what do you guys think? I think that's all, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, pretty much.
yeah,
Yeah?
pretty much.
Is there purple as well? But I don't think so.
No, I don't know what Christmas you have over there, but
It's not purple, is it?
no.
It's mostly red and green and blue and yellow. I usually like red and green because it has the colors of a Grinch. I like the Grinch. Anyways, I think that should be the main prompt. If we need something more, we're gonna come back and add some more to that.
Let's
Let's
also add
go.
the
Over
mobile
here.
responsive.
Yes, that is good.
You can add a silver as well.
And
Silver,
also be
Yeah.
able to control.
Let's make batteries happy.
perfect. Okay, blue, yellow, and silver. And you said mobile theme, or what did you say exactly?
Mobile responsive, and maybe to have like a joystick when you connect from a mobile phone.
Mobile responsive design with a joystick
For control.
for controlling the blob. We're gonna call it a blob. For controlling the player's blob on mobile devices. And that should be good. Let's go ahead and go to the features prompt. Also, I want to explain, mobile responsive basically means that whenever you go on a mobile device like a tablet or a phone, something that is not a desktop or a laptop, it will have like a smaller or narrower display, and that basically makes designing websites a bit harder, but Biela can handle it. So if we tell it that we want the mobile responsive design, it will just take into account mobile users and adjust the padding and margins and stuff like that, so that mobile users can also play. So you guys are probably on mobile now. That's why we're gonna make it mobile responsive. Hopefully it handles that pretty well. Let's go ahead with the features prompt, and I'm gonna look here on my list, and I have a so we have a cell split, a camera system, multiplayer synchronization, a room system, and a particle system. So let's go ahead and write those. I want the game
And we
to
have another
have-
comment here from Presta Bucket. He's asking if we all will play together at the end. I guess so. We are going to play it even before the end together.
Yeah, hopefully it's all gonna come together, and we're gonna be able to play in a big lobby with everyone in the chat. So let's go ahead and finish this prompt so we can get started and have everyone play with us. So I want the game to have a mini map in the corner of the screen, an ability feature, a pickup ability. Let's say pickup ability feature for all players. What else did I say? A room feature, a room or a lobby. I'll call it a room lobby. I don't know exactly. Let's just write it like that.
Better
Okay.
term.
A lobby system, and a camera system built using HTML5 canvas. And this is a more technical term. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but yeah, it's gonna make everything look much better. What else? I also want a respawn feature and a power-up Actually, no, I did write that already. Pickup ability. This called as a power-up pickup ability. Yeah, sounds better. I also want a respawn feature. What else? Let's see, what else did I write here? Oh, a cell split.
My idea earlier was to be able to shoot snowballs as well.
Oh, yes, perfect. Yeah, I remember that. Thank you for telling me. A cell splitting, and I also want a respawn feature. A cell splitting feature, as well as a what did you say it was?
The ability to shoot snowballs
Perfect.
at the other blobs.
As well as an ability to shoot snowballs at other players. We're gonna see what Biela handles, what Biela manages to do with this information, because I didn't tell it that the snowballs will break other people's blobs apart, but I think that should be the thing that it's supposed to do. Anyways, do you guys have any other ideas? I'm not exactly sure. I think this is enough.
Let's send the prompt and we'll see.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll have any other ideas afterward.
Okay. Just a moment so I can reread this and see if everything is all dandy. Lobby system and camera system built with HTML5 canvas. I also want a respawn feature, cell splitting feature. Actually, I won't call this a blob because we did call it a blob in the beginning, so we should be consistent. So as an ability to shoot snowballs at other players. Blobs, they can collect snowballs scattered along the map, built with physics like inertia, collisions, and player interactions. Let's say that interactions. I want the theme to be Christmas inspired. The snowballs colored in red, green, blue, and yellow, and silver. Mobile responsive design with joystick for control of the players blob on mobile devices. I didn't specify what kind of movement the game should have. What do you guys think I should do? Should I do WASD or should I do mouse movement?
Well, I prefer mouse movement on desktop.
So WASD on desktop and what, like touchscreen?
Well, on mobile, maybe you have to, press some buttons to move up and down.
Yeah, like a joystick, most likely.
Yeah, but I did write the joystick. But what about the
You have
desktop
some-
experience?
you
Should
have
I?
some arrow.
Yeah, let's move with the arrows.
Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna do arrows because arrows are pretty far away from where my hand usually sits on the keyboard. So I'm gonna do WASD, but it's pretty much the same thing. So on desktop, I want the blob to be movable using WASD buttons. And also, I'm not gonna keep this on here. I'm gonna move this right here. And that should be good. Let's give this prompt to Biela and see what it does. We're gonna use Cloud 4.5 Opus, our best AI for this. We're gonna give it extended thinking, and that's about it. Let's hit. Oh, actually, I did not share the screen. That's my problem. That's my issue here. I'm still on the prompt, so let me switch over to that before anything. So just give me 1 second, guys. Awesome. Can you guys see?
Yes, we can see it now.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, let me give the prompt once again. Come on, I can't switch the perfect. All right. So we have here the Cloud 4.5 Opus, our best AI, and the extended thinking, which is turned on. So let's give it a shot and see how it does. It's going to take a little bit of time because this is a complex project and it's pretty much a game. So usually this would take like a really long time, I would say, for what is it, like a
One wants to do it.
real dev team. And actually it says here we need to enable a Supabase project, a Supabase connection. So we need to do that before it actually builds anything. So let's go ahead and show everyone how Supabase works. Basically, whenever you have a project that Biela thinks it needs a Supabase connection, which we did ask it to do that right here, where Supabase real-time sockets integration. So we did explicitly say Supabase. When it detects that it needs that, it's gonna ask you to connect Supabase to it. And how you do that is really simple, like a couple of clicks, simple. So basically what you do is you go here to connect database, and then you do create new Supabase database. But before you do this, if you click on this button and you don't have an account, it's gonna say connect to Supabase. And what's that gonna do is when you click on it, it's gonna take you to the Supabase website where you have to make an account, but it's really easy, guys. You just have to use Google or Apple or an email even. So once you do that, you're gonna have the create a new database here button. And once you do that, you just create a new database, and Biela will automatically take all of the data from Supabase, make a database in there, and use all of that information to build you the project that you want. So right here, it's gathering the data, and what that's gonna do is gonna build the project exactly as we said it, as we instructed it to do. And it's gonna think a little bit of time for, for obvious reasons. It's a pretty complex project, guys. It's not really like any small website or any stuff like that. That's pretty easy to do. Yeah, as you can see, it started thinking here. The user has connected their Supabase project, so it already took the information. And yeah, now we just have to wait for it to finish. In the meantime, though, have you guys heard of the Content Studio? It's pretty cool. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but I think we have to show this after it's done building. We're gonna have to make a couple of skins. I have an idea for this project. Do you guys think it would be a good idea to use the Nano Banana Pro, the new AI that Google released, to create a couple of skins for this project? What do you guys think?
Yeah, of course, man. I think we can do that now.
Do you think we can do that?
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's see. Let's see. AI Image Studio, and this is basically it. This is how easy it is. You just go to Content Studio and you go to AI Image Studio right here. And here we're gonna have to build a prompt again. I know this is like the hardest thing in the world to do. Just write a couple of words. But yeah, what do you guys think I should do for the first image? Come up with something very interesting, very creative. What do you guys think? Maybe like a nebula, or maybe some galaxy theme, or maybe some Christmas theme actually, because since we're doing that.
Definitely a present.
A present. Okay, let's do a red or green or what color?
Red and with blue ribbons.
Blue ribbons? Red and blue ribbons? Come on, that looks like the police symbols. Let's do the red and white. Present. Actually, yeah, Christmas present. Christmas present. With what, a Christmas house, Christmas decorated house in the background. And we have the aspect ratio set to 1:1 because we need it to be a skin, like a texture. So let's go ahead and generate image. And this will take a couple of seconds, not more than that. I think around 10 to 15 probably. In the meantime, actually, let's just wait because it doesn't take that long. But we're gonna check on the code in a second. Come on. I know you want to build this. Oh, well, it's not exactly what I wanted, but we can definitely adjust this to make the gift fit the entire screen, because I didn't even tell it to do that. But I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna adjust this. So let's look at the code here, and our boy is still building. Look at all of these files it built. I mean, this is a lot of lines of code. This would take a bunch of money to build. Thankfully, we have biela to do this. And let's adjust this. So I want to... So to adjust an image, once you did this, you just delete the original prompt. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to write in here, can you make the Christmas present the whole... no, fit the entire image. And once we do that, we click edit image. It's going to edit it, hopefully, to fit the entire screen. Look at it building 400 lines of codes files. That's crazy. Okay. Let's see the image soon. Oh, and it's also almost done because it's building the footer. Okay. This is a gift.
A gift for you.
It is a gift, and I think this is actually perfect for a texture, right?
Yeah, it should
Yes.
be.
Go on, save it.
Okay, so to save it, what you guys have to do? Oops, what was that? Oh,
that's
it
done.
built the system. It built the game. Okay, this actually was pretty epic. Wow. Okay, let's go back to the content studio for now, so we don't spoil the surprise. Basically, what we have to do to save this image is we have to save to library. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. And then we just, so it's AI generated image, whatever, just upload. And that's it. There's our image. We can use this in our project, but we're not going to use it for now. We just did it to show it to you guys. So, it says we have 53 players online. I don't think that's true. I think it's lying to us. But let's see how it works. So we're gonna set... Oh, that's interesting. The display changes. The background changes when I type in there. It says it's optional room code, so we're not gonna do that. And let's see. Oh my god, this looks pretty good. And I'm going to play first. Because I have the priority, because I built this myself. So, but I will definitely let you guys play. Just give me a second to test this out, and I will then let you guys play. So, it says I collected the shield. I have a score here. I have a size, and I can collect these tiny little snowballs. I think they're more like globes, like Christmas globes that you hang in your tree. Oh, I collected something called growth. Okay, so I'm playing this to be able to notice a couple of issues. So for one, there's no respawning snowballs, so we have to fix that. Like once you collect all of these, like once you ingest all of these, actually they did spawn. Oh my god. So I guess there is a time delay, or like a countdown. So there's another issue that I see. Who's this? That's Test. Did that just crash? I think that... Oh, actually no, it didn't crash. Okay, I think we touched another player and we encountered an issue. That is no problem for us. We have biela here to help us out. So we're gonna write in here when the player's blob encounters another player, the movement stops. Can you please fix that for me? And also, do you guys have any other suggestions I could add to this?
before you send the prompt, send us the link. Let's try and make sure that we can also connect. And
For sure, I will do that right away. I'll send it on the group chat right here. I have a group chat, guys, don't worry about it. We make sure everything works in these live streams, so yeah. I'm not sure who connected. Is this you? Who's 12312?
me.
That's you?
Yeah.
It worked. What more
Okay.
could you want? But I would need to disconnect. I can shoot though. That's nice. But will you please disconnect so that I can send this prompt and fix the movement issue?
Maybe refresh the page on the preview.
That's good. That's a good idea. Yeah. Okay. So, can I send the prompt, or do you guys have anything else to add?
I think the blob is moving too fast, so maybe
Perfect.
we
Okay. Good idea. Good idea.
slow
Good
it
idea.
down a
Make,
bit.
make it grow slower. We don't want it to be huge numbers.
Perfect. Okay. Good ideas. Can you? The blob needs to grow slower from the collected snowballs, as well as from the power-ups. And what did you guys say? What else? Oh, the movement, right? The movement, and the movement is too fast.
And
Please.
also, when we press on the space, we should throw a snowball. Right now, it doesn't do that.
I think if you
Or
click,
at
it
least
does
we don't
that.
have an animation for this.
Okay, okay, I'll add that.
Let's add also this.
And the movement is too fast, please. Okay. What else? Let's do. Actually, I want something else first. I want. Please add. Let's ask it very nicely. So please add some sound effects to the game. Oh, also the zoom. Fix the zoom. Fix the camera so that it slowly zooms out as the player. Actually, as the blob grows in size. Okay, that's a pretty sizable prompt here. This is a pretty big prompt. So let's give it that and see if it works. I didn't forget about the snowball throwing thing. It's just, I think it worked for me, so I'm gonna see how that functions anymore, and we're
In
gonna
the
fix
meantime,
that.
let's go back to the contest studio. Let's generate maybe 2, 3, 4 more
That's-
images.
That's a good idea.
Let's do a Santa.
A Santa, like a Santa hat or a Santa guy?
A
Santa Claus.
guy.
A Santa Claus. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. I want a Santa Claus. Is this how you spell it? I think it is. Right?
Yeah, Klaus with an E at the end.
Klaus? Like this? I'm not sure. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
I mean, you are right. Just Klaus without an E at the end.
Okay, just Klaus. Okay. I want Santa Claus. I don't know. Like, with the gift bag on his back. Actually, holding the gift bag on his back. That's it. Let's see how it looks. I'm very curious about this. Okay, and in the meantime, let's see what is our guy doing right here. Our biela. And it seems like it's adjusting a couple of things, like a couple of lot of things. But that's good. Hopefully it does a good job. Oh my god. This actually looks pretty good for a texture pack. I really like this. Has some candy canes, some gifts there. But I think Santa needs to work out a little bit. He's a little bit fat, but that's fine. Let's save to library. And the title will be Santa Claus holding a gift bag. Let's go with that and upload. And there we go. We have it. Perfect. And by the way, guys, just to let you know, the way you use these images is by clicking on, where was it? Just clicking on it and then clicking on use in project. But we're not going to do that right now because we didn't implement a feature where Biela will use these images. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go into AI Image Studio and create a new image. So what do you guys tell? Do you guys have anything else to create?
Maybe Rudolph,
Yes, a reindeer.
the reindeer.
I was about to say that as well. You kind of read my mind there. So please generate the Rudolph. No, actually Rudolph the reindeer. I think that's good enough. Let's go with that. Let's be as generic as possible. Let's see what it creates. Because I'm not very good. I'm not very creative. And I'm not very good at prompting. If you guys can't tell. Like, I'm really not good. But it still creates stuff for me. Even as bad as I am. So as uncreative as I am, it still generates stuff that I kind of like. I mean, actually, I really do like. Okay, I don't like this one. This is way too real.
Be pulling a sleigh as well.
Yeah, we're gonna do that, but this is way too real. Like, way too real. This is scary real. Make it. Let's edit this and make it more cartoonish. And let's edit image and let's go back to the code because I think it's done, isn't it? Yes, it is. See, it says here it's done. So let's see what it changed. I'm gonna say my name is hello and let's join a game. So yes, the movement is slower, as you can see. That feels much better. Also, I'm using WASD, guys. So it says right here, WASD to move, click to shoot, and space to split. Now I haven't tested all of the features out.
Okay, everything's working. Theo,
Yeah?
let's meet in the upper right corner.
Okay. Well, I am here already, so where are
Me
you?
too, but I can't see you.
Maybe.
Did you add a name to the room?
I did not. I did not.
Maybe.
Oh, there's Paul. I see Paul.
Paul just crashed.
Hello, Paul. Hello, Paul.
Hello.
So it does work. But we need a couple things to fix. Oh, there's another Paul. There's Biela. I think that was me. Ah, man.
So you need to clean up the disconnected players also.
That's a good idea. Let's go ahead and do that. Please clean up the players that have disconnected. Also, fix the player collisions so that when a player is bigger, is more massive than another player, they should be able to eat it. And I don't think I specified that in the main prompt. I'm not gonna scroll because that's a lot of text. But I don't think I specified that in my main prompt, so that's why it didn't do that. They should be able to eat it and gain more mass. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's prompt it. And if there's anything else, we're gonna fix that. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, in the meantime, let's go. Oh, I actually like this. That's pretty
better.
nice. Yeah, I really like this. Let's save this. Rudolph the reindeer. Man, I really like Rudolph. When I was a child, I used to watch like a lot of Rudolph videos like on the internet and stuff like that. It really made me really happy. Like it's one of the most I don't know how to say it, like it's like the Christmas icon. I think I like him more than I like Santa Claus. I don't know why. It's just how I was. But let's see. So that was really quick. Biela did this really fast. I wonder if it did good though. Let's go ahead and call myself Biela. Oh, what was that? What happened? I don't know what this means. I'm just gonna ask Biela. I don't care. Because I know it can fix it for me. So, see guys, you don't have to know any coding. You don't have to know how to do pretty much anything. You just have to be a little bit of you have to be a little bit creative, and you have to have I'm not sure how to say it. You just have to have that impulse to go ahead and want to build something. So if you have that, if you want to build something right now, just go to Biela and it will do it for you, like effortlessly. I didn't even I didn't even do anything. Biela did all of this for me. Let's go ahead and try it out, and it did fix the problem, so that was good.
I still can see you on the map.
You can't see me. Well, that's because I didn't go to the far right corner. Well, I am here. Where's Paul? Paul, are you here?
Yes, I am.
Where?
I'm on the right bottom side.
So
Okay.
Theo, I think there is an issue.
Okay.
And
What's the issue?
that we are not basically connected. The same map.
Okay, let's try a different thing. So I'm gonna restart this, and what I'm gonna do is let's go ahead and do another room. Let's do like a custom room. So I'm gonna call myself Biela, and I'm gonna call the room I don't know, Christmas. Just make sure you guys write this correctly, because sometimes I can't spell myself. So I'm gonna join the room Christmas, and let's see if we can meet ourselves in here. Are you guys in the room?
Yes, I am.
So I'm in the left part of the corner of the map. I'm just gonna pick these up. That's a lot of abilities. Okay, so I still can't see you guys. Okay, let's see what Biela can do about that. I cannot play with my friends. Can you make the multiplayer? What's multiplayer? What do you guys suggest I should ask it to fix?
To make sure that we are connected to the same room.
Multiplayer. Can you make the players connect to the same room, as well as make them visible to everyone using the super base sockets that I talked to you guys about in the beginning? They're the connections to the also shooting works, so that's kind of cool.
But the
We can
split
shoot.
doesn't work.
Too small to split. Well, yeah, because you're too small. You have to be bigger. Everyone using the super base sockets. Okay, let's go ahead and prompt that. We're gonna fix the other issues as we go. So they're not that important right now. What we want is, I want everyone in the chat to join. So that's what I want to fix right now. In the meantime, let's use more AI images, because why not?
Let's
So,
generate a Christmas tree.
a Christmas tree.
Something
Please
cartoonish.
generate a cartoon style Decorated, that's very important, Christmas tree. Let's go ahead. And man, I really like Nano Banana Pro. Like, adding this to Biela was like the best feature ever. Like, this is insane. It's so good. I use this every day. It's so cool. But alright, let's see. Does this not look familiar to you guys? I swear, this looks familiar. This looks like The Simpsons or Family Guy. Do you guys know those shows? I think you guys know. Hello? Do you guys hear me?
Yeah, that's really from.
This looks like it's from Simpsons, isn't it?
Like almost one copy.
Probably, yeah. I think this chair is very recognizable. Well, I like it, so I'm gonna save to library. Let's call it Simpsons decorated tree. That's lovely. Actually, I did ask it to make a cartoon style, so obviously it's gonna use something from like The Simpsons or Family Guy. That's really cool. So the connection now uses both presence for reliable player tracking and broadcast for real-time position updates, ensuring smooth multiplayer gameplay. Well, how about that? Leave empty for global room. I'm gonna call myself Biela again, and I'm gonna join. Says it's connecting. Why does it say that? There's one in the room. Are you guys in here? Can I should I share
Yes,
the
I am.
link again?
Did you make a room? My name?
Ah, okay, I'll make a room. So I'm gonna call myself Biela again, and I'm gonna make a room called Room 1 because I'm very creative. So the name is Room 1, and I'm just gonna go in the middle. Not gonna lie, I really like playing this game. It's actually so fun. Also the sound design is like really cool. Like, it's really addictive. It's like one of those Instagram ads that you just can't stop watching.
But if you're
Oh,
not
I
eating-
see Paul.
Oh, you are eating me.
I'm gonna spawn camp you.
No.
But yeah, as you guys can see, there's Paul right here. I think Paul, are you having some connections issues, or is that
Well, I'm moving.
you're moving? I think I was
Okay.
eliminated.
Really? That's
Okay.
what these are.
So I guess the snowballs do kill you. They're very powerful. They're like atomic bombs for blobs. Let's go ahead and ask Biela. So I'm gonna go to plan here, and this planet feature is really cool. So basically what it does is when you have a question to ask Biela, you can just go ahead and go into the plan section here and ask it something without actually like messing with any of the codes or like the files in here. So if you have something like, let's say I want to deploy this so that other people can play with me in a big lobby. I just want to ask it that, and I'm just gonna click the Biela logo, and in the plan section,
Actually, Dion,
it's gonna.
let's ask Biela to put some logs, and we can check them and send them back.
Put some logs and to do what?
Basically to check what's wrong with the connection, because it stays unconnected and it doesn't connect to a channel, basically.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'll do that right away. Can you please log some parts of the code involving the multiplayer part where the so that I can see issues in the code. Let's ask it that. But in the plan thing here, when I asked it to deploy and to play with other people, it actually responded to me. So what it did, it said, "Great news, your Snowball IO game is already set up perfectly for deployment." So basically what I have to do is I just have to deploy it. But I'm not gonna do it right away. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for the logs, as Andre said, so that we can see some of the issues in this code and have everyone in the chat have a more pleasant experience playing it. So let's go ahead and wait for that. Actually, I thought it was done, but no, it's not. Okay, let's use some more AI images with Nano Banana. This is so cool, man. What else? Do you guys have any other ideas? I have an idea. Please create a I forgot my idea. Please create a, what was those the Christmas decorations that you put in the tree?
The Christmas globes.
Yeah, globes. Oh, thank you so much. Please create a Christmas, if I can type, Christmas globe hanging on a tree, zoomed in, with I want some reflections on it. Reflections of a fireplace in it. So I really want this to be like more detailed and more, instead of being generic, I just want it to be more like to my liking.
Let's go back to the code. I think biela is done.
Okay.
And let's test.
So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna go to the preview where you just have to input your name, and let's go ahead and join. So what do you want me to test here?
Let me also join.
Okay. You know what would be nice? If we had like some pop-up here. Oh, no, don't shoot me. I don't want to die. Where are you shooting from? Oh, was that you, Santa Claus? I think that's you.
No.
That's you. No, get away from me, Santa. I don't want your gifts. So, I think we have some logs, right? We should have some logs. Where are the logs?
If you go into the inspect, but let's meet up in the lower corner.
No, I was
Lower right
late.
corner.
I don't think the respawning works. If you can give me the logs in the chat, I will make sure to give them to Biela.
But first, let's see if we can see each other.
Well, I did see you, so
It wasn't me. I
sometimes
think
I see you, but
biela
then you
created a
disappear.
bot.
it wasn't you,
No.
Paul. What's your name? I mean, I know
What?
your name, but like,
My
what's
name
your
is
name in the
Paul.
game?
It's
Hmm?
in Paul.
Oh, it's just Paul.
So I saw you a few times, but then you disappeared.
I see.
Let's meet
When
into
you
the
actually
upper
see your
left corner.
goals when you shoot.
Okay, I see. Okay, so I see a problem here. There's an issue that players keep disappearing. How do you guys think we should fix this? Players keep disappearing, and the connection, again, if I can write, seems to be unstable. Can you please fix that for me? Anything else you guys want to add?
Yes. Just a moment.
Okay. Now, in the meantime, oh my god, what the hell? This is actually like, this is exactly what I wanted to make. Like, this is exactly what I envisioned, and it made me this. Like, I'm serious right now. I'm not even joking. Like, this is exactly what I envisioned in my head, and it actually made it. That's crazy. I really like this.
Oh, okay, I've sent you some logs, so
Yes, I do see them. I'm gonna copy these and I'm gonna give them to Biela. So basically these logs, what Andre did was he opened the inspect element thing, and it had like a chat here, and it basically gave out like some developer logs, but that's not really that important right now.
also specify that we are 3 in the... Never mind.
I'm sorry. I was just too excited to do this. Okay, I'm gonna save to library and I'm gonna do the prompt again if you want. So we're gonna write here, Christmas, man, I really cannot write today. Christmas globe with furnace, reflection, upload. So you guys can see you can multitask in Biela, which is really cool. Like, and I think that's enough textures, so I'm gonna keep those for now. And I'm gonna actually, maybe the next prompt, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna ask it to implement the skin feature, because that would be a really cool idea to do. If you'll excuse me for a second to drink some water, I'm very thirsty. It's that time of the year where your lips are getting really dry and the air is like constantly like super dry. Your skin gets dry, so that's why I need some water. But yeah, and I have my Teach Me Code mug here with me. I really like it. I use it every day. But yeah, let's make some new AI images while Biela does its thing here.
While you're doing that, Daniel is asking if the Black Friday discount is still available.
Yes, look here. Black Friday special, get 50% off on all yearly packages, limited time offer. They're still available. So the Black Friday discount is still available. So make sure you go ahead and purchase subscription and package or whatever you want to buy from Biela, because this is the last time basically you will have such a massive discount, and it's actually really profitable to purchase in this time of the year. So yeah, you guys should take advantage of this discount and purchase something. That would be very nice. What did I say about the content studio? What did I want to build? Oh, actually, never mind. I actually built what I wanted it to do. So, let's see. I can see the issue. Well, I'm glad you see. Does the AI have eyes? I don't think so. The logs show the channel is being repeatedly created and destroyed in a loop. This is happening because they use real-time blah 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 blah. This is very technical talk and I don't know what you're talking about. So, let's go to preview and see if the game works better now. Oh, it says oh my god, what's happening? Whoa, 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 whoa. I think something's happening. Okay, let's see. There's an issue connecting to the game. It creates a lot of rooms and lags the device. Let's do that, because I do not want my computer to crash right now. I'm in a very important live stream and I don't want to disappoint anyone, so I don't want to disappoint the people watching, so please Biela, work out with me. I can see the issue. The connection is still creating multiple channels in a loop. I'm sure we fixed that, but it's being silly right now. Anyway, let's go to Content Studio and see what's happening here. So, do you guys have any other ideas to build with the AI Image Studio? Maybe, let's make something like a Grinch. Oh yes, like a Grinch. Please make me a Grinch texture. Maybe like a Grinch face. What do you guys say? Grinch face?
Yeah.
Grinch face. Okay, Grinch face. Texture. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Man, biela's out here just doing a lot of code, and I'm out here just creating images. I'm not even looking at it, and it's still building. So, what more could you want from Biela? It's awesome. Okay, let's see. That's pretty scary, actually. Maybe I won't be able to sleep at night. That's pretty realistic. Do you guys like this image? I'm not sure how to feel about this. It's pretty scary, alright? I don't know, it's evoking some fear in me. I'm not sure how to feel about this. Let's see. I think I want to modify this a little bit. Or, what is it doing here? I'll fix the connection stability issues by preventing duplicate channel creation and properly handling React strict mode double mounting behavior. Hello, I'm gonna name myself Hello. Hey, it works. Paul left the game. Paul joined the game. Andrew joined the game. Andrew left the game.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, actually, it is working. I do see you guys. Wait, don't eat me.
We are
I
just
think there is
teleporting.
an issue, a sync issue. So
I see. Do you guys have any
let's
idea how to
ask
fix
Biela
that?
to fix this.
What did you say?
Maybe ask it to try and do smaller intervals connections. You know, like have a more polling, doing more polling.
Ah, okay. But as you guys see, I was eliminated again. Man, stop killing me! What are you doing? Okay, so can you decrease the polling? You said, right?
Yeah, the polling rate.
The polling rate, and stop the what? The sync issues, or what did you guys say?
Yeah, to remove the sync issues, and also be able to respawn. 'Cause right now,
Yes, that was a feature that I wanted it to do. Okay. Also, fix the respawn feature, where because when the player is eliminated using the snowballs, the snowball throwing feature, the player does not
and you should
respawn.
change the wording. Actually, it's not decreasing; it's actually increasing the polling rate.
Ah, okay. Snowball throwing feature, the blob
Otherwise,
doesn't
it will make it worse.
respawn. So, can you increase the polling rate and remove the sync issues? Should I tell it to stop the?
Notifications.
Well, if
Yeah.
it's going to make the sync better, then those will only pop when they're needed.
Okay then. I'll just give it this prompt and is that it? I think that should be it. Can you increase? Okay, I shouldn't. Stop. The blob doesn't respawn within the amount, within the 3-second cooldown timer. Okay, let's go ahead and use this. Oh, I didn't click. Okay, now I clicked. Guys, stop playing without me. I'm missing out on this. Guys, please stop playing. Okay, so right now we're using Cloud 4.5 Opus, which is our newest AI and most powerful. As you can see, it says right here, most powerful. You should be using this for most, but we also have GLM 4.6, and we also have Grok code. So Grok, if you don't know, it's the XAI thing that some guy is building. I'm not gonna name him. But we also have Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I think we also have the 2.5 flash, but it's not showing up right here. But we also have those AIs. They're very good as well. So if you guys, they have like cons, pros and cons. Like some of them are more cost efficient, some of them are more premium, and they cost a little bit more, but they all do a really good job. So if you guys are having issues, or if you guys don't like a certain AI, you can just change it to whichever you want. So, and we're constantly adding new like new AIs to the AI model feature, like AI model content here. Just like the Content Studio, how we added the Nano Banana Pro, because that was like released like what, a week ago, right, guys? Was that released like a week ago or what? Nano Banana.
Yeah, I think 1-2 weeks ago.
Yeah. So that was like really quick. We added this really quick. So yeah, we're constantly adding new AIs. Man, I really cannot spell. Okay, so doesn't seem like it did much. That's okay.
Yeah.
How did you get that big? You got too big.
Both of us.
Okay. There is also an issue with the synchronization, so maybe
Yes.
ask biela to fix this.
Okay, let's see how to fix this. Please fix the synchronization. How exactly should I say this? Hello? Can you guys hear me?
It's
Yes.
exactly like this. There is an issue with the synchronization. The players are not moving in real time. You can see there are delays.
In real time, and they keep
And now
disconnect.
they try to make the movement more
In real
more
time.
smooth, more fluid.
Okay, make the movement. No, actually, fix the movement so
Of
that
the other player,
it is in
because
real
yours
time
is fine.
for other players. For everyone. Let's do it for everyone, not just other players. Let's go ahead. And after this, I think we should deploy it and see how everyone else plays. What do you guys say? Oh, actually, we didn't do the Content Studio thing. We didn't implement the skins. Oh man, this picture creeps me out. Like it keeps creeping me out. I think we should fix this. So, can you make this less creepy by making this by adding by making him hold a candy cane. I'm curious about that. Okay. Paul, you keep playing? Okay, I'll fix the real-time synchronization issues. The main problems are... Well, it correctly identified the problems. Okay, you know what? This is much better. I'm gonna save this to library. The Grinch holding a candy cane. That's awesome. Man, I really love these texture packs. Like, they're not actually... No, these images. They're not texture packs. These images. Anyway, what is Biela doing right here? It's fixing some stuff. That's pretty cool. I really love how fast Biela programs and writes code. Like, it's really quick. But yeah, after this, I really want to... Wait, is it still playing? What? I didn't even know that was possible. After this, I'm gonna ask it to implement a skin feature where each player can pick their own skin, and I'm gonna give it, actually in the meantime, let's give it the image links. So I'm gonna copy here all of these image links.
Why don't you select them and click on the using project directly?
Oh, that is good. That is good. That's a good idea. Much better idea, actually. I forgot about that. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, we can also click this. Make Biela aware of what is inside of the images. We should do that so that it automatically automatically names them. Should I do that? What do you guys think?
Yeah, we can test it.
Perfect. Okay, but we have to let it finish first. So before we do that, we have to let it finish, guys. Okay, I'm really excited to have everyone join. Hopefully it's gonna be a good time. And yeah. Okay, it finished. Velocity. I mean, that's a lot of physics that I do not understand, so I'm glad that Biela is doing this by itself. Perfect. Okay, so we have the content studio here. I'm gonna click on use in project and it automatically uploads all of them. So that's really cool. And I'm gonna say, can you please implement a feature where all the players, or a player actually, can pick out, can pick their skin from the provided images and use this skin as the blob's background. Man, I really cannot type. As the blob's background in a game. And that's a pretty simple prompt, so let's give it and try it out. Okay. Let's see what it says. Oh, also, we have the preview here. I'm really curious about what these are. Are these like...
I think they are meant for you to choose your color in the beginning.
Ah, maybe. Didn't implement this, but I really like the animation. Like, it's bouncing. It's kind of like balls, little Christmas balls. Looks pretty nice. I also really like this rotating thing here, rotating title. All right, let's see. The user wants to implement a skin selection feature. Also, this is a thinking part, so when you have this, you can open up the thinking part and see what the AI is thinking. I mean, it has a brain after all, so you're basically opening up its brain and looking inside and seeing what it's doing. So that's really nice. I usually do this just to, like, in between prompts, I basically open this and start reading. So I really like reading all of this stuff. It's really interesting. Okay, let's see. So player skin selection feature, and it starts adding files, so that's really nice. Awesome. Is there anything else we can talk about, like in the content studio, in the AI image studio thing? Do you guys have any images that we can create, like any other textures for skins? Because then we can show people that even after you implement this, you can also create more images. Like you can edit basically your entire project, and basically at any point in time, like once you, let's say, look, I'm tired today, I don't want to program this anymore, and you want to take a break, you can just leave this and come back and generate more images and add it to your project or do anything like that. So you guys have any more ideas of images we can create?
Let's focus on the game.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. But it's currently thinking, so I was thinking maybe we can make more images while it thinks. So that's why I asked you guys. Maybe like Snowtop Mountain, because it says right here, snow top. Actually, please generate a snow top mountain with pine trees. Yes, covering it. I should have gave it something from maybe like the our country, like a specific part of our country. That would be nice, but maybe another prompt. Ah man, I didn't want it like this. Let's say a Christmas themed snow-topped mountain. Fill in the image. Let's edit it. Because I don't want this. So if you don't like an image, just edit it. It's very easy. And also the game works now, so let's see what it did. I implemented the skin selection feature with the following changes. Added the player skins array, blah blah blah. Visual details, skins are displayed in circular blobs with a border. Let me drink some more water. Oh, okay, I really like this. Okay, this is interesting. I'm gonna
can see
name
the
my...
wall.
Oh, okay, I really like this. Okay, let's give the... I'm gonna deploy it, and I'm gonna give the link in the chat. How about that?
Yeah.
Seems,
Andrew, how are you so big already?
We should
You're
all
waiting.
focus on Andrew.
Yeah, true.
Get him.
We need to remove the notifications.
I think he's done.
And
That's fine. We can do that later.
actually, let's do it now because it seems it's crashing the game. So
Okay then. Please remove the player joined and player left notifications. Actually, should we remove all of them or just the player ones?
the entire notifications that appear on the screen with the user left, joined, etc.
Please remove the entire notifications of the from the game. Awesome.
And,
Did you want to add? Did you want me to add something else?
no, let it.
Okay. No, because I can stop it. Like it's
I
not.
think we had an issue with the synchronization because of those.
Maybe. We'll see.
Well,
Doesn't matter. So
let's wait for it and then we can test again.
of course, yeah. I mean, I gotta tell everyone that this is a game. So I'm not sure if everybody in the chat knows, but games are really difficult to create. So this is why we're kind of having like some technical issues or something like that. It's just part of how developing a game works, because games are inherently difficult to make. That's why when you see a game being released, it takes like anywhere from like 2 to 3 years. They're using like real developers, and sometimes they use AI, but it still takes a long time. And because they're very complex with physics and math and a lot of that stuff, and Biela can do it pretty well, and it, as you can see, like it does it really well, but it just has some nitpicky stuff. And this is not even like a Biela issue, this is just like a Supabase problem. They should fix their own stuff better. But let's actually let's deploy this. So I'm gonna deploy it, and I'm gonna...
and also join Theo. Let's check the synchronization.
Sure, I'll make the Christmas globe. I'll name myself Globe because
I'll
really
wait
like
in the
globes.
upper left corner.
Oh, I see you
It's a
guys.
bit better.
Oh,
I see you guys. Okay.
I think it's better now.
Toast is not defined. Well, that's because I removed the toast notification. Of course, it's not defined. Yeah, let's wait for the building to finish. And basically, when I clicked the deploy, what it did is it deployed to Vercel. So Vercel, excuse me, Vercel is a a company that hosts your projects, and Biela is in basically like when you click deploy, it just asks Vercel to create a website for you, and you can access this website anywhere on your phone or on your computer or anywhere basically in the world. So once we click deploy, it took like 30 seconds, which is basically nothing when deploying a website. And once it's done, you have the live app, and this live app, it took me to the actual website, but you guys can't see because I'm still in the Biela screen, Biela project here. But I'm gonna give the link to my colleagues here, and they will post this in the chat. Can you guys do that for me, please?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Awesome, thank you. Okay. In the meantime, let's ask Biela to fix this issue for me. As you can see, this fixing issues in Biela is as easy as just clicking once, and that's it. It starts thinking and it fixes it for you. Okay, so are you guys in the game? Should I switch the tab to the game? Should I switch the presentation to the game?
Yeah, come join the game.
Perfect. Okay. Let me. Okay. So Biela finished fixing the issue, and I'm gonna remove this.
Deploy it also with the toast issue. Fix it.
Ah, okay, perfect. Okay, I'll do that. So I re-added the Biela screen, and it fixed the issue here, guys. So once it did that, we come here to the preview part, and we click deploy again because we did another change. So basically, when you change stuff, you just have to deploy again, but that's completely normal. So you just, it's so easy to use Biela. I mean, look at this. Just clicks deploy, and that's it. It starts it, it builds it, it finishes it, it does everything for you. So it's awesome. But after this, I'm gonna switch the, so as you can see, it's success, and now we can click on the live app. But before I do that, did you send the new link, or is it the same link? I think it's the same, right?
Yes, it should be the same link.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this presentation, and I'm gonna share my other screen. Share. Wait, I don't have it open. I should open it.
The response still doesn't work.
No, it does work. It's just a little bit slower. So Snowball, this one. Okay, and I hope you guys are seeing this. So I'm gonna pick the Christmas gift, and I'm gonna call myself Santa. Let's call myself Santa with the big S. I'm gonna join the game, and here I am. And I can move with WASD. And I haven't tested this on mobile yet, but I think it should be fine on mobile. Let's not shoot each other, guys, please.
We still have an
What did you say?
We still have an issue with the synchronization, so let's ask Biela to fix it.
I think it's fine. I mean, it's fine for me, so... what do you think I should do? What do you think I should say to it? Hello, Andrew? Can you tell me?
Sorry? Can you repeat
So,
it?
yeah, I asked you, what do you think I should ask it to fix? Because you're
Exactly the synchronization. Tell Biela like this. We have an issue with the player synchronization. They are lagging. Make them move in real time.
Okay, I did that. Let's see.
Can you also share your screen, Theo?
Ah, yes, I forgot about that. I'm so sorry. Where is it? Here? Ah, wait. I was sharing it. You're lying to
I
me.
edited it earlier.
Ah, okay, I'm sorry. I removed it by accident. Okay. So Biela is thinking right now. Let me drink some water. Awesome. So, I'm actually kind of impressed with the skin choosing ability, like feature thing. That worked really good. I think the synchronization and lagging thing, I don't think it's from Biela, is it? I think it's from Superbase, if I'm not mistaken. What do you guys think? You're more technical than me, so...
Yeah, maybe Superbase is not fast enough with the updates.
Probably. I mean,
No, we
guys,
see boss over here, and he ate me.
that's not really our fault with Biela. That's more a Superbase issue, so you can't really blame us for that. But yeah, still, Superbase is a great feature that Biela has for databases and other things like that. Like for example, I recently made a project where I had to use Superbase for a database that I needed. For example, I had a user list where I stored all of the users in a table basically, and it displayed it real time. So that was a really great feature where I needed Superbase for. So, and it did that perfectly. So that was awesome. Separate concerns. That's a lot of features that it changed. I'm gonna deploy it again. So let me test it out. Do you guys still have the local link?
Yeah.
Yes.
This a bit.
Awesome.
Let's test on local.
Oh, I think it works now. I see you guys on the... Oh my god. Okay, this works way better.
Oh yeah.
This is way better. No, don't shoot me, Paul. Don't shoot me.
What was
I'm
it
not...
respawn?
Oh, okay. Let's add a timeout on the shooting, maybe 3 seconds.
Oh no, who's shooting? Stop shooting, please. Oh my god.
Please mute the browser.
Alright, hold on, let me...
Windows.
Somebody was shooting so fast.
Someone had a machine gun.
Yeah. It was probably more of like a minigun or something. Those are really quick.
Amusing.
But yeah, you can give the live app, right? To the people? Should be fixed now.
It's the same link as earlier.
Ah,
Just
okay.
the page.
Is it still in the chat? Yes?
Let's add a delay on the shooting.
Okay. Please
Maybe a
add...
3 seconds delay. And
Please add a... Actually, let's make it a 5 second. Please add a 5 second delay on shooting snowballs. What else? Should I add something else to this?
and also remove the max increase limit.
Max increase limit.
Make the max a bit bigger. Maybe
What's the-
1.5 bigger.
What's the max increase limit? Can you explain that for me, please?
I saw that at some point you are not allowed to be bigger.
Grow. Okay.
You
Okay.
most likely have a limit on the
Okay.
score.
Okay.
You can't
And-
increase above 350 or something like that. So let's
Max.
remove completely that limit.
Max blob increase. I'm gonna rename that blob increase limit and make the map bigger. And I also wanted another feature called what I saw something, but I think I forgot about it.
Someone says we
Please.
should add a shield mechanic.
Oh, that's a good feature. Okay, so let me add this. So keep that in mind, please. Keep that in mind. So let me add this feature first, and then I'll give it the prompt again. So increase and add a sound mute feature, button actually. Also, please add a shield mechanic, or feature should I call it, that can be picked up from the app. Perfect. Let's try it out. So what's nice about Biela is when you deploy it and you make changes to the code, like I said previously, it makes, and you prompt it again, the same link still works. So you guys still can play in the game while I'm trying to fix it right here, like trying to add more features and stuff like that. So that's really cool that you can do that. So if you deploy and you have, let's say you sent this link to somebody, that link doesn't break when you fix something or add more features, which is really nice. And very few places do that. So especially like with other projects, like if you make changes to the project and let's say you didn't fully fix something or didn't fully implement something, it just breaks the entire project. So your client or your friend or whoever looks at the project that you previously had working, now they can't. So this is what's nice about Biela and Vercel and Supabase. It's really nice. So Biela does this really well. And right now I'm building, I'm letting Biela build this, and I think you guys are still playing, right?
Yes, I play.
You're just immersed into it, huh? I mean, it's one of those games that you can actually play for like hours. When agar.io came out, I used to play like every single day after school or even in class sometimes. Like I would just pull up my phone and start playing agar.io and even slither.io. So it's so nice that Biela can do this. Like if you polish this a little bit more, just a little bit there and a little bit there, just add a couple more features, because agar.io is not that feature rich. It's just a simple game. So if you polish this a little bit, it'll just be your like your friends' like best game. Like you can give this to your friends and you'll be able to play this like anytime. So this is really cool. I'm really glad that it's building so much. Seems like it's understood my task, so. But yeah. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, I really like this. I'm gonna save this to library and upload. Oh, I forgot to change the title. Well, that's fine. I'm gonna select this, and once this prompt is done, I'm gonna ask it to use this in project. So it's done. It's here, it's done. Here's what I changed. 5 seconds should cooldown. Shield power up. All that good stuff. I think it's, wait, what am I waiting for? Let me use this. Please add this texture pack. No, this image in the skin selector as well. Thank you. Okay. So after this, we're gonna do a test, and I think that's gonna be it for tonight. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a long day. And Chaotic Kyle is asking if we can make a 3D game. Maybe we can leave that for another week, I guess.
We can definitely try. I think there's been a project already. There's been a live stream where a couple of our coworkers did some 3D project already.
Oh, really?
I'm not sure. I'm talking right now, but I'm not exactly sure. Maybe if we ask out, maybe we can get more info about that, but I'm not too sure. I just know that somebody did some 3D project with Biela, and it did work out pretty well. So yeah, I think we can do another live stream and make a 3D game using Biela. That would be really nice, a really cool theme to do. Don't you guys think?
Really great if Biela can do it.
Yeah. So we're gonna research that, and we're gonna come back to you, Kyle. Or was Kyle his name, or their
Yeah,
name?
Kyle.
Okay.
Okay, Kyle.
We're gonna come back to you, Kyle, and we're gonna see what we can do about that. So thank you for the suggestion. And yeah,
Actually,
also
At the end, we can give a prompt to transform this into a 3D game. And
just to test it out using
yes, exactly.
3JS.
We can right now.
Okay, but first of all, I'm gonna
Let's
say
deploy and let's play a bit.
Okay. So just to show Kyle that maybe it works. Okay, sure. But yeah, it did add the like I talked about previously. It did add the Winter Mountain image that I created using the Content Studio and the Nano Banana AI in the project after I was already done adding the skins. So it works out really great. So it is live now, so you guys should be able to join it. And you said I should make this into a 3D game. Well, I'm very scared to do that, you know. I'm really scared.
The deployed version, so
That is true. Deploy doesn't affect
we can also explore the entire project.
That is
Can
true.
use this in the future.
That is true. So when you go to history, you can roll back. But I'm still scared. I'm still scared to do it. I don't want to break this project.
Well, let's do it and end the stream with a bang.
Okay. Please, no. Let's ask it very nicely. Can you please? Can you? No. Let's see. I beg you, please. Can you turn this game into a 3D? Can you turn this 2D game into a 3D one using 3JS, or should I leave this blank and let BLR
Let it decide first.
into a 3D one? Perfect. All right. I'm really scared about this. Okay, let's see.
Fingers.
Yep. I'm gonna cross them behind my back, dude. I'm really scared. But it's still fine because we have history here, and once this completes, we can go to history. If it doesn't look great or we don't like something, we can go to history and roll back, and it basically rolls back to at any point basically. So that's great. And also it doesn't affect the deploy, as I said. So the live app still remains the live app with the 2D feature, and this can be a 3D app. But as you can see, it says here, a significant transformation converting to the 2D canvas game to 3D will require implementing 3JS. So it is quite a significant improvement from 2D to 3D. That's what I told you guys, like game design is really complex and it's really complicated, but Biela can do it, so you don't have much to worry about. Just give it a little bit more time and a bit more how can I say this, like just put a bit more time into Biela and polish it a little bit, and it will be like the best game you've ever played. So I'm really curious about this. Are you guys scared like I am?
No.
You know how they say you have
No?
to trust the process. You have to trust the process.
Oh my god, yeah, trust the process, but like, come on, like, I'm scared. I'm still scared. Like, I know this is probably gonna work, but I'm still scared. Anyway. Yeah, it's doing a lot of stuff, like with 3JS, and as you can see, it added a new folder here with new files. Probably gonna add more. I'm actually very curious. I think I've seen a game that was like Slither.io, but turned into 3D. I think I've seen it before, but I'm not sure. But I haven't seen Agar.io turned into 3D. Maybe this will be a first time in the world. This will be a world's first Agar.io 3D. That would be nice. I would actually pay money for that game. Who knows, maybe this will be a good game and we can release this on Steam. Well, I'm dreaming, so. But yeah, here at the top, as you guys can see, we made a profit by not using real developers. So just by using biela.dev, we saved a lot of money. So this is basically the money that we saved here, the profit. This basically remains in our pocket. So if you have $1,280 to spend, good on you, but you're probably better off using Biela, so you can save up all, like, what is this, like 99% of the money. So just use Biela, guys. It's way better. Oh man, this is a really complex one. I mean, this is about the amount of files and lines of code that the first prompt created, and this is just one of the prompts that Biela can do. So this is how complex stuff can be. And imagine this project was one of those like projects that we built using just our bare hands. So we wrote the prompt, like the main prompt, ourselves, and instead of like using the integrated thing here. So this is basically an option that when you write your what is it called, when you write your prompt here, you can click this button and it will actually turn this prompt into something that an AI can better understand. So I'm gonna prove that to you guys, but just give me a second so that this finishes. But yeah, as I said, we built this using our bare hands. We could have improved this way more by using this feature right here, but I just wanted to show you guys that even if you're not as creative, you can just do stuff. So it did change the name to 3D, and I'm hopeful for now. Let's see. Biela 3D. Biela 3D. All right, let's see. I'm gonna use Santa Claus 3D Arena. All right.
Wow.
It's not the greatest, but like I'm actually so impressed.
At the trees, it's looking pretty great.
The trees are having a meltdown.
All over the place. They're having a party.
They're very happy. They're like they're like dogs when the owner comes back from a long trip. They're jumping all over the place. But yeah, this is 3D and it's actually using pretty nice physics. Like,
Yo, let's
Yes?
Biela to remove those trees.
please remove the trees.
And also to make the ball move a bit faster.
No, I don't want that. It actually moves very, very well.
Okay.
So, I forgot to show you guys the prompt feature. Ah, man.
Also, the respawn doesn't work, Theo, so
Oh, it doesn't work? Well, okay. I'll
you can
fix that.
refresh the page, no worries.
Okay, so what I did was I stopped the prompt, and you guys can just do that. So once you do that, you can copy the prompt here using this button, or just select the text like I did. And then we can do the following. So please remove the trees from the map and fix the respawn for the players. And I wanted to talk about this. So this button is called Enhance Prompt. And when you click this, it takes all of this input that you did here and it makes it into, I would say, like more professional and more AI readable, because this, I mean, the AI can definitely understand this, but it's not like the best way to communicate with an AI. So when you use this button, it actually is able to turn this into AI readable code or AI readable text. But I'm not going to use that right now because it's a very short prompt. Please fix a respawn for the players. Okay, let's try that out. hopefully it's gonna be a very quick fix. I stood up a little bit in the chair, and I hope I'm not cutting myself, my screen, and it's not cutting my head off a little bit. Hope it's fine, but yeah. Oh, that was so quick. Done. I've made 2 changes. Removed all trees from the arena. The map is now a clean, snowy battlefield with just the walls. Perfect. Fixed the respawn system by adding a proper map tracking. Well, whatever, I'm not gonna read all that. So let's see, Biela, and enter 3D arena. Oh,
Yeah.
and the trees are all gone. It's actually using the... Oh, actually you were right, Andrew. Yeah, the movement is too slow. But that's something easy to fix. Oh, Paul is here. Hi, Paul. And also there's a cooldown of 5 seconds, like I told Biela to do. Can I eat you? Oh yeah, I can eat you. Can you respawn now, Paul?
No, I have to refresh.
Ah, okay. We'll be able to fix that. But yeah, I just wanted to show Kyle that this is how Biela can do 3D design. But this is just a concept for now. It's just 1 prompt or 2 prompts now, is it? So Kyle, yeah, Biela can do 3D games. You just have to give it a proper project and give it more time. So I think that's gonna be it, guys. What do you think? Are we ready to end the stream?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can end the stream.
it's been a good ride.
Oh well, I hope so. I hope everyone enjoyed this with us. The raw, unedited, error fixing and prompting and stuff like that. So yeah, I was eliminated. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I hope you guys are gonna have a lovely start of the weekend and a good Friday evening. And I'm really glad to have been your host, and I think Andrea and Paul have been really glad too as well. And I'll see you guys next week.
All right.
So
Bye bye, everyone.
goodbye,
Hope to see
everyone.
you next time.
Bye.